in the treetop in the park. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la.
Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la. He knows that spring is here. Another little lark will soon appear.
Isn't it a lark to hark, hark, hark to the merry, merry meadow lark?
Here he is, the answer to a promoter's prayer.
They tell me you're a sensation, are you?
Si mi freno in tal momento.
All right. I forgot to tell you about the singing angle. That's an added attraction.
If his arm is as strong as his lungs, maybe he's got something.
For 9 years, I studied piano just so I can play Hark, Hark, the Meadowlark for a lot of fat ladies in tights.
I have to punch guys in the face so I can sing opera.
Why, won't they listen?
Judy and I came here to tell you we're getting married tomorrow, that I'm quitting the fight racket, and I'm going to sing.
You're crazy.
I'm not crazy, so stop yelling.
He's not yelling. You can't do that to us.
Judy. Gee, Mr. Judy.
I've got a surprise for you later.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. And